best regards to everyone present. I am Saurav Pillai, Class 7 from Marymount Public School, Kattachira. To start with, I would welcome you all and also thank you for giving me this marvelous opportunity to share my thoughts on the topic of yoga during the pandemic. Yoga is the journey of discovering the self. It's a beautiful physical, mental, and spiritual practice that is adopted in India, a holistic approach. Yoga is also a self healing practice. It helps in the better circulation of the blood and reduces disease. In some cases, it is seen that yoga people have completely covered from illness like cholesterol, diabetes, muscle problems, and various others. In the busy life of today, yoga acts as the purest medicine for relieving stress. For centuries, yogis have used breath control or pranayama to promote concentration and improve vitality. Buddha advocated breath meditation as a way to reach enlightenment. The goal of pranayama is to connect your body and mind. It also supplies the body with oxygen while removing toxins. This is meant to provide healing physiological benefits. One 2019 study determined that 6 weeks of practicing pranayama for 1 hour a day could have a significant effect on lung function. The practice improved multiple parameters of lung function according to pulmonary test results. Pranayama may be a useful lung strengthening tool for many lung conditions, including asthma, allergic bronchitis, and for recovery from pneumonia, tuberculosis, and COVID-19. Following Prime Minister Modi's proposal, 21 June was marked as a date to celebrate International Yoga Day since it marks the summer solstice, the longest day of the year. 2021 International Day of Yoga, to be observed on June 21, carries the theme Yoga for Well-being, much relevant for our times in a society still recovering from the impact of the coronavirus disease pandemic. The COVID-19 plight was not just a physical crisis, it also left lasting impacts on mental health, with many left in psychological suffering, depression, and anxiety dealing with the pandemic necessitated restrictions and loss. Yoga can come to the help of people dealing with such crises. The United Nations explained on its website since the message of practice is to promote both physical and mental health. The United Nations has been offering yoga to its personnel as a means to deal with physical and mental health crises during the COVID-19 pandemic. The World Health Organization has also recommended yoga as means to improve health. Teaching yoga to youth and children is very important today. The seed sown today will bear fruit tomorrow. So let's pledge to take care of our health and keep the Indian practice going. Let me conclude with what is said in Bhagavad Gita. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self, to the self. In simple words, yoga is a way that a person should live. Much thank you to all of you. Have a great evening.